Ooh, what do we have here? Hi guys, it's Crystal, and today we are swatching the Holo Trinity trio from Twinkled-T, this gorgeous trio of holographic toppers. Look at them. They're beautiful. To swatch these, I'm using Midnight Mischief from Painted Polish as my black base coat. And then I'm going to swatch them over it because it's not too matte, but it's not too glossy, so you can really see how the topper affects it. For the first topper, we have Holo Hale. This is a topper of just like holographic micro glitters and nothing else, like no flakies, no tiny glitters, anything else, just the holographic glitters, and it is super pretty. When this goes on, it builds up really easily. You're gonna see here as I swipe it, I had some spots where I was trying to go back and kind of fill in the little bald spots, but a lot of the other holo glitters start to immediately stick to the first layers. So if you're wanting to go really light with this, you need to make sure your brush is really lightly covered. But you can see here on that first coat, there's a lot of holo topper going on. It's so pretty. I think I'd use this more for like covering a gradient, not over a design because I don't want to cover up the design too much, but just over colors. And here I decided to show all these toppers over the rainbow because over black, okay, you get kind of the gist of how it's going to be. But you really do want to see these over other colors too. Here you can see over black, it's really popping. I like it a lot over red. I'm going to be honest, I like all of these toppers a lot over red. I don't know if that's just because I personally love the way the red just pops with them or the way it affects them, but it's really pretty. Next up, we have my favorite from the trio. This is Holo Lightning. This is a flaky holographic topper. This one is so pretty, and this one is also the one I didn't expect to like at all. I'm not a big flaky person. I go on and on about it, but I don't know. There's something about this. I love it. I use loose holo flakies in some of my designs, especially around Valentine's Day. I was doing that with loose holo flakies to try and get this same effect that I'm able to get with this topper. It is insane. And the holo in the topper is just freaking gorgeous. I am absolutely in love with it. And you can see that was just one coat and it's just completely covered, completely popping and gorgeous. I also took this one over the rainbow. I took all three of them over the rainbow. And over the rainbow, once again, this red is killing it. I really also like how the flaky topper looks over this purple here. I wish I had a darker true purple cream, but I actually don't. It's kind of weird. And over white, the flaky topper is actually still a little holo looking. I felt like Holo Hale over white kind of just looked like silver glitters. But here, we got to really focus on this red. Last but not least, we have Holo Storm. This is kind of a mix of Holo Hale and Holo Lightning. This one has the holographic glitters, and then it also has flakies. The flakies in this one I noticed seem smaller. I don't know if it's the way it was mixed or anything else, but they seem like they're smaller flakies than in Holo Lightning. But they mix really well with the holographic glitters. I like this one too, but it's still, I don't love it as much as I love Holo Lightning. I can't help it. Of this Trinity, Holo Lightning just wins for me. I'm definitely going to end up using it in some Christmas stuff, probably here in the next week or two, because I have ideas in my head. Here you can see as I move this around, those glitters give you like these little round popping spots, but then you still have that overall holo from the flakies that is really gorgeous and pretty. It's a perfect storm of holo. I was trying to think of a way to describe it that didn't sound cheesy and didn't include anything about a storm. Here you can see over red, this is especially gorgeous. I also noticed that this builds up really quickly too. I think those glitters are what help it to build up. If you wipe over a second time, you're gonna get a lot more coverage than the first. And here you can see over black, this is definitely popping. I really like how this looks over the green, which is weird. Not a big fan of green normally. But when I was like moving this around under the light, I could see it was so gorgeous. That is all the holo goodness I have for you guys today. And I have good news. Twinkled-T's Black Friday sale is going on now, and you can actually snag these for 25% off along with all their other products. Hit the link in the description box below to shop and definitely get your happy nail art on. As always though, if you like this, give it a big thumbs up and hit the subscribe button for more fun stuff and tutorials. And I will see you guys next time.